Come plan my day with me as a software engineer who works in the government tech side. So for me to plan my day, I use these little cards. Honestly, I don't know what they are, but this is just something I can prop up right on my desk where I can just write down simple little tasks one by one. So I can prop it up, mark it off, or push things to the side if need be. It's just simple for me. It works. I can write it down. It's nothing fancy. It's just what I like to use. So moving into my week, I was helping with a startup company work on their back end stuff as well. They don't need assistance right now. They hired a few other developers, so that's going to be off of my plate for the week. Now moving forward, I'm going to be working on a C++ library where we're going to be loading in some DLLs. We're facing issues on the Windows side loading the DLLs. It works fine on the Linux side, so I need to start working on the library. All right, so here's what I got. Went to the gym, read 10 pages. Notice how I write things super simple, and I got a journal still. Walk 10K. So that's I think what I'm probably going to be working on for today. I like to keep my days relatively simple. I'm not a huge fan of the time block stuff. I tried doing the time block thing. For me, it's hard because the tasks or the tickets that I'm working on could take all day. It could take a few hours. I don't really know, right? So the time block stuff never works for me. That's why I like these little cards because they make it simple. I can write down my tasks that I'm trying to do, label it out on a card, and keep it moving. And then what I like to do is I like to keep all of my cards, right, as I knock them out. And I like to basically go back to them after the end of the week and be like, hey, like, how did my week go? Did I knock out my tasks? Am I finishing my tasks that I'm setting for myself? Just to kind of reflect back on the things that I'm doing and seeing if I am, following through with the things that I write. Because that is an issue that I've faced, is I'll over plan the stuff that I do, and I kind of felt a little guilty because I was just kind of throwing a bunch of stuff on a piece of paper and then not actually doing them. So I'm trying to learn on how to better prioritize my time in order to follow through on the tasks that I'm setting, for my day and be more disciplined in that way. So this is what I got. That's it. I just added the post of three TikTok videos. And those are the tasks that I knock out for my day. Nothing crazy, nothing extravagant. It's just simple tasks that I will work on throughout the day and make sure that I will knock them out by the end of the day. Throw it into the pile, reflect on the end of the week. Did I do what I was set out to do or not? Did I win the day or did I not win the day? And keep it moving.